And a warning this evening from the St. Catherine North Police to motorists in 3 parishes to invest in anti-theft devices to help put a dent in a car stealing ring. Commanding Officer Senior Superintendent Hopton Nicholson told our news center one of the suspected masterminds behind the ring was arrested in St. Catherine on August 31. He says 5 motor vehicles, 3 believed to be stolen, have been recovered in subsequent operations.
In the structured housing schemes, we have a number of motor vehicles reportedly stolen, but I think this criminal network operates across the parish of St. Catherine as well as the corporate area, Kingston and St. Andrew, and we believe that they target events where a lot of motor vehicles are parked along roadways or in parking areas that are not properly secured.
Meanwhile, a warning for persons to be careful who they invite into their homes.
Some of the persons who visit the communities as visitors, they are the ones who are the lookout persons, and they are the ones who invite others to break into people's houses and to also to steal persons' items such as motor vehicles and any other item that is capable of being stolen. So we just wanted to be vigilant and